Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. A fresh warning this evening to Jamaicans to be cautious as they go about their business this Christmas. The warning comes from the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Jacqueline Bissessa Mackenzie. The caution comes as the country is again seeing a rise in the number of COVID-19 deaths.
Now that we're starting to see a rise in the number of cases, we're also seeing a rise in the number of deaths. And so again, the word of caution to all persons that at this time when we're expecting to see the numbers go up, we must make every effort to protect the vulnerable persons, protect the elderly persons, so that we do not see an increase in the number of hospitalizations and the number of deaths.
Dr. Bissessa Mackenzie says Westmoreland is of particular concern right now to authorities. That's because some of the COVID-19 positive patients in the parish are refusing to stay home.
We recognize that the persons within their homes are not taking precautions. And so we want to emphasize that sick persons are to stay home and precautions must be taken within the home.
If we do not take personal responsibility and act in accordance with the protocols that are very established, very clear, the prospects of the season and the new year 2021 could be as worrying as we have had to deal with in 2020. Would much prefer to see us start 2021 looking up and looking forward to the silver lining on the horizon, which is to see the vaccine and to occupy our time with administering the vaccine.
The Health Ministry representatives were speaking a short while ago in what is the final COVID conversation briefing being held by the ministry for the year. In the meantime, Jamaica's COVID-19 death toll has increased to 270 after the respiratory illness claimed 4 more lives yesterday. The latest cases comprise an 89-year-old man from Westmoreland and a 73-year-old woman from St. Catherine. The other deaths are 2 men, ages 57 and 67 years, both from St. Catherine. The Ministry of Health says 2 more deaths are being investigated. Meanwhile, 74 new COVID-19 cases were recorded in Jamaica yesterday. The country's case count now stands at 11,443. Their ages range from 4 months to 97 years. St. Catherine recorded most of the cases, followed by Manchester and St. Thomas. The Health Ministry says 83 patients remain hospitalized with the respiratory illness. 9 are critically ill.